Hey babies, it's Jenna here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, before we get on to the video, please, if you follow me on Instagram, please give me suggestions for my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be starting calling you guys something on Snapchat. And I'm going to be reviewing a new slime I just got. It's called Blue Gold. It's two slimes mixed together. Let's review it. Okay, it's actually like really pretty, like super pretty. And I'm gonna pull out some so then you guys can. First of all, poke test, swirl test, and pop test. We should get it out of the bowl. I broke my slime thing, so I'm just gonna be putting it on top. And the stab test is the third test. Okay, it passes the poke test. And now, what's the next test? Oh, let's do a marker test. I'm gonna pick it up with a marker. That was just a little. Okay, so I'm gonna get it all off. You guys hear that? Here's the container. And let's get it all out. Pull. Okay, whatever. Oh yeah, and the stick test. So you're gonna just pop it on my hand and see how long it takes for it to stick. Okay, I don't want it on my fingers because I have a ring on, which I shouldn't be wearing my ring right now because I'm trying. Okay. Or fall. Alright, let's just make sure that it has. Okay, we're falling. We fell. Okay, let's get off all the X. Okay. Okay. That was kind of a lot, surprisingly. Stuck to my hand. Okay, definitely gonna take off my ring next time. Which I did, don't worry, Mom. Okay, okay. Okay, now where's my other phone? Got it. I don't care. Timer. Okay. Why did I wake up at 4:01 a.m.? Okay, stopwatch. Then you pick up all the slime, stick it, start. We're following. Are in the jar. Okay, only took 29.26 seconds just for it to fall. Now, let's take it all off. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to back you guys up because now we're testing. I'm going to put it in big old blob. Reset. We're being testing it on this counter thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is. Here's the slime. Very pretty. So far we're only at 6 seconds and we're waiting for it to be flat as a pancake. Are pretty actually close. Okay, here's the timer. 24 seconds, 25 seconds. How flat is that, guys? That's really flat. Okay, we're at 32 seconds. Okay, it's we're almost at a minute. And okay, we're almost at a minute. 50 seconds are in. 55. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. I ran at a minute. Okay, 1 minute. And that's where we're at for a minute. Let's see how far we get. Okay, it's flat. Okay, we're gonna try to get it to a minute 20 before it all starts falling. Minute 15, minute 16, minute 17, minute 18, minute 19, minute 20. Okay, minute 20. Okay, so I'm gonna make a swirl, you guys. Let's test the swirl and the stretch test. Okay, first of all, stretch test. Okay, stretch test is passed. So it passes. That's the test. Now let's test the swirl. Okay. Yeah. It's a bad swirl. Okay, that's all I got for y'all today, or you guys today. So thank you all for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.